So today I just hit the target after only 1 minute. So let me tell you about this trade. So as you can see on the screen, we have Tesla and also Nasdaq. So what I did, I saw the Nasdaq is going up and the Tesla also was in good position, and I just bought long it on Tesla around 1,000 share right just here, and I just put my target around 1,000 and my stop loss was around also 1,300. As you can see also on Nasdaq, so the Nasdaq is rising up and the Tesla also is rise up, so that's why I just bought on on Tesla. So here you can see, yeah, but the point is here, the Nasdaq is on the pullback actually, so of course the Nasdaq will come down, but it was very good option to long on Tesla, because the Tesla also want an opportunity to long it very fast and you get and hit the target very quick. So that's why I was just open one long position on Tesla. Here you can see the Tesla is going up and down and also going on till 800, but I didn't close it because I just want to hit my target. So you can see on the right side the Nasdaq also was around 1200, so here was the good position actually. So I just waited to hit my target, so it was very quick actually for today, so it was very quick. And here you can see the Nasdaq also going up and also Tesla is still going up, and I was also around in 900 in profit. So here I just hit my target very fast today. I didn't except that takes around 1 or 2 minutes, at least maybe 5 or at the maximum 10 minutes, but hopefully the Tesla is rising very well and also Nasdaq is still going up. But so that's enough for me for today. And yes, so that was my trade for today guys, and yeah, thank you for watching. And of course if you want to use the ColmexPro, just click on link in description and then you go direct to the sign up page. So here you can see, so this platform I use is very good for a stock, and so you pay very low fee actually to the broker, and of course if you go by my link, so you get a 30-day free fee and you don't need to pay any fee to the broker. So that's why it's very good option for you to start to trade in stock, crypto or forex. They have also forex and crypto, so you can use it. Thank you for watching guys, and have a nice day, morning and night.